Hi guys, it's Mirelle. Welcome to my channel. As you can see, I have this mic with me right now, so I have better audio for this video this time. So anyways, for today's video, I'm gonna be baking macaroons with my sister. Hey! Yeah, that's her. Her name is... Introduce yourself. Isabel, the better version of you. No! Anyways, yeah, she's gonna be helping me bake the macaroons today, or macarons, or French macarons, however it's said. But yeah, let's just get into it.
Yeah, get into it.
Okay, so first, let me just show you the recipe we're gonna be using, and it's from tasty.com. Okay, so what are the ingredients that we need? Powdered sugar. Okay, we got that. Almond flour. Whoops. Almond flour we don't have, so we're using regular flour. Salt, we need salt. And sorry that if there's like background noise, that is our air conditioning. 3 egg whites at room temperature. Why don't you bring that out right now? Oh wait, I have an idea. Let's put it in warm water.
That's not hot.
Okay, that's how we're gonna warm up.
It's not even hot. See, that's hot.
Wait, this was our mistake last time. The eggs weren't room temperature. Oh yeah, so we've made macaroons before. And
ground beef.
I will insert a picture, so Mirelle, if you're editing this, like, put that in. What else? Oh, we have regular sugar, vanilla extract. Is that all we need? Okay.
We need a mixing bowl.
Right. Boop, boop, boop. Oh my god. So this is what we're using to mix everything. Oh.
Ew, it's dusty.
Oh, it's...
I smelled it. I smelled it. It doesn't smell nice.
So, okay, we're finally in the first step.
Took long.
Make the macarons. I'm sorry, my head is cut off for a lot of this video. In the bowl of a food processor, which we don't have, so this is our bowl. Combine the powdered sugar, almond flour, half teaspoon of salt. Wait,
You don't even have the measuring stuff.
oh my god, I'm very prepared.
You're not prepared.
Here's the measuring cups. So let's get the powdered sugar. So we need 1 cup and 3/4. So we need to sift everything.
Wow, you're not even in the frame. Go back and stop. Wait, no, a little forward.
We could move this back. We're filming on my phone on like the back camera, not the front camera, so we can't see ourselves. 1 cup, right? Woo. And now the flour. How much flour? We need 1 cup. Oh my god! So I could put the... No! You're bad at this. Okay, now for the 1 cup of flour.
Send it.
There's literally powder
It's
everywhere.
raining.
Oh, and half teaspoon of salt.
Would you like to sift the salt?
Okay, now we need to like mix it. It says process on low speed until extra fine.
There, this looks extra fine too.
Then we gotta like sift it again.
What?
So should we get like another bowl?
Sift the other thing.
Wow. Let's watch the video and see what they do. Okay, we have to separate the egg whites now.
Scoop it with your hand.
So in the video, they said to scoop it out with our hands. Okay, we'll crack the eggs now. Okay, let's crack the eggs. Oh no!
Ew, what is that?
I cracked it wrong. Bro. Gosh. Now we have to like separate the egg whites. Let's do this. Ew, this feels so gross. This feels so gross. In a separate large bowl, beat the egg whites and the remaining half teaspoon white. Half teaspoon of salt. Can you not? This video is like a mess. Yo, mixer, can you mix?
Yes.
I'll be the camera person now. So she's the pro mixer because she uses that a lot. She bakes more than me now. The first one you got.
So this.
The smaller one. Yep. We should mix it in the kitchen over here. We'll mix it here. Watch the pro mixer do her thing. Montage.
What is this?
We're doing so much better than our first time making macarons.
Is this what it's or more whipped like?
Let's gradually
do I
add the
mix it?
stuff in.
Do I mix it?
Yeah.
Wait. You want to switch? Yes. I'm tired.
What do we do? We have the stiff peak. We don't have the stiff peak yet. I want to do it. Let me check. Oh, we did it wrong. We had to add the granulated sugar only.
Bro.
You know what? We're gonna keep like hoping that this is gonna turn out well, okay? We're not gonna give up now.
Wait, is this the same thing? Wait, I have to check. I want to check because clearly you can't check.
Excuse me? So we just did it the opposite. So instead of putting the granulated sugar first, we put in like the flour mixture first. But you know what? We're gonna just keep going.
Quiet. It doesn't look like the dough it's supposed to. It's like wet. It's not like when you combine the.
Okay, anyways, after that we'll just add the half teaspoon vanilla extract.
Why do we have to mess it up? It's your fault. I just want to restart, but we're gonna waste eggs. It's not gonna bake right. I'm sorry. There's no stiff peak as well.
Any macaroon experts out there? Can anyone help us? What can we do?
Y'all know what you need for this recipe?
What?
Better listening skills.
Everything's falling apart. Even my phone fell. I don't know what to do.
Bro, we're failing.
Can we start over? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It's just... Go. I can't do this. Can you keep
I
mixing?
want to restart, but not really.
2 hours later.
Okay, guys, it's getting thicker.
I think we're gonna get somewhere. I'm gonna stop recording for now and get back to you if the mixture improves. Update, we added some cocoa powder so that it's chocolate macaroons, but we're still not getting any soft peaks. And I know it's my fault, okay? That's the mixture, ladies and gentlemen.
I'm done with this. Just throw the whole thing away.
Chance, I say left cheek, right cheek, drop it low this one. Texas up in this stuff.
Just no, there's no peak. Goodbye.
What? Don't leave me! Stop! Don't leave me!
Wait. What's the size?
Big.
And what is this?
A mess. Wait, don't leave me!
What is, I don't know. Cut the cameras.
No. Please help me. The macaroons are a mess. Please.
No, thank you.
Literally, my life is a mess. 2020 in baking form. The step after this is to put it in a piping bag and then
It's gonna turn to soup.
and it's gonna bake into a rock like last time. Should we just try?
Should we just buy macarons and say that
Okay, at this point we kind of just given up. So we don't have the stiff peaks. Well, we're gonna work with that. We're just gonna place it on the baking trays now. And we'll just see what happens because my sister's given up already. But she's coming back. She's gonna help me finish this. So I need our parchment paper. I'm too lazy to put it in a piping bag. Should I just scoop? Yum. So the first tray is done. I'm gonna fill up that one now and then I'll put them in the oven. So apparently before putting it in the oven, there has to be this like glossy texture at the top, like that's gonna form on top of the macaroon. And then that's when you put it in the oven. I'll leave this first tray out and then put it in the oven. I don't know for how long. Should probably preheat the oven too, so. Okay, so I've preheated the oven at 300 degrees and then we'll just wait until these cookies have a shell, that glossy shell that I was talking about, and then put them in the oven and we'll see how they turn out. Okay, 30 minutes later, I think they're good to go. Let's put them in. Okay, and then we cook them, or bake them I mean, for 17 minutes according to the recipe. Boom! Now we just gotta wait. Okay, 17 minutes is up. I've been checking on it and this is how it turned out. What is this? This isn't even macaroons. What is this? Seriously, what is that? So we also have this icing that we were planning to put in between the macaroons. We made this like 2 weeks ago for our cookies. But since it turned out like this, we don't know if we're gonna use it. Should we? Okay, let's just bake the other one now. So maybe we should try it now. These are kind of like cooled off. Okay, taste test time. I'm scared. We decided we're not gonna put the icing anymore because it doesn't look like macaroons, so it's just meringue. So let's see. Oh great, it's a rock. Chewy on the inside, very crispy and hard on the outside. Crunchy. I was just trying it with the buttercream. I'm gonna try it too. Nope. Tastes like a disappointment. Are we gonna try making macaroons again? Maybe. We'll probably do it again, but this time we will follow the steps. But hope you guys enjoyed our fail. Anyways, if you enjoyed, like this video. Subscribe if you want to. You know, you don't have to like.
and click the bell.
Click the bell, notification, do all that YouTube stuff. And yeah, see ya.
Toodles.
Till our next video.